Hi and namaste, welcome to class. Thank you for being here. I am Presha. If you're short on time and you're looking for a class that makes you feel good and grounded, I've got you. We will just require our mat, and I would suggest getting a light blanket to support our knees. Let's begin. Let's begin in a seated position of your choice. You can come in a cross-legged position or you can sit with your hips on your heels. Now, once you find yourself in that seated position, close your eyes. Begin to relax your shoulders, lengthen through your back. And together, let's take 3 mindful breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling up your chest, filling up your belly. Exhale with a big sigh through the mouth. Just like that. Inhale again. Exhale through mouth. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And now come to a kneeling position. In that kneeling position, you can keep your toes curled or untucked. You can use a blanket under your knees for some support and cushioning. Now, once we are here, take an inhale, stretch and reach your arms all the way up, fingers pointing up. With an exhale, elbows out. So bend your elbows and lift into your chest and look up. Take a little back bend, opening into your chest here. Inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale, bend your elbows and again lift slightly with your upper front body. Beautiful. Inhale, reach and extend. And exhale, open and breathe. Good. Inhale, reach. Then exhale, we'll take a twist, okay? So take your arms out like T and twist with your upper body. So instead of turning entirely with all of your body, like with your hips and all, try and twist just with your upper body. So, right, let's go back at it again. Inhale and exhale. So try and keep the 2 hip points forward. Then inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, twist the same way to the left. Good. Inhale, reach and sweep your arms up. Exhale, again, twisting with your upper body. Try and keep your hips in the center. Inhale, stretch and reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Nicely done. Inhale, reach your arms up. One more time, cactus arms, bend your elbows, lift your chest. Inhale, reach arms up. Now exhale, take your hands behind your hips. And you're going to, or behind your back body, you're going to place your left hand on the right. Exhale, dropping your left ear and your left side of your head to the mat. Inhale, reach up with your arms, come back to the kneeling position. Exhale, placing your right hand over the left hand and then dropping the right ear down, right side of your head down. Once more, inhale, stretch and reach up. Exhale, placing left hand over the right and dropping slowly with the left side of the head down. Just like that. Inhale, reach arms up again. Let's do that one more time. Right hand over the left and dropping gently, coming down to the ground. And completing this with inhale, stretch and reach. Good. Exhale, hands come down to the sides. Now from here, come on your hands and knees into a tabletop shape, all fours. If you have sensitive wrists, you can come on your fists. Otherwise, spread your fingers wide on the mat, making sure your knees and hips and your wrists and your shoulders are in line. Then inhale, arch through your back, lifting your tailbone, chest forward. Exhale, press the floor and round through your back. Cat and cow. Inhale, lift through your tailbone, chest forward. Exhale to round. Inhale again, coming back into chest forward, arching through your back in cow. And exhale then. Now when you take a cat, I want you to go back slightly with your hips towards your heels, taking a child's pose. Good. Again, inhale, coming forward into a cow, chest forward. Exhale, going back to a child's pose. So we're adding the cat stretch, then going to the child's pose. Back to inhale, arching through your back, chest forward, cow pose. And then exhale, cat, and then slowly going back with hips to heels to a child's pose. Beautiful. Inhale, coming back to center. Now come into a seated position. So you can sit with your sitting bones resting on the blanket for again some cushioning, and we are going to extend the right leg forward, bending into the left knee. Place your left foot along the inseam of your right thigh. Inhale, stretch and reach your arms up. Sit up tall. Exhale, hinging at your hips, catching either your shin, ankle or your foot. Fold. Breathing in and out through your nose. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Inhale. We're going to come back to center. Keep the left knee bent. Now lift the knee and frame the left foot across the right thigh. Inhale, start to lengthen through your back. Take your left hand fingertips behind you. Good. Inhale, stretch and reach your right arm up. Exhale, bend your elbow and hook your elbow with that left thigh, taking a twist. Avoid leaning too much back, so you don't want to keep your hand too away from you. Try and keep it slightly closer. And if you want to go a little bit deeper in your twist, you can actually take the hand slightly like back towards the wall behind you. But if that's too much, just try and keep it somewhere in the center or somewhere closer to the right side of too much confusion. Somewhere closer to the left long edge of the mat. Okay. Sometimes yoga teachers give too many instructions and then confuse themselves and confuse others as well. That is what it was. Another breath here. Keep the spine tall. Beautiful. And exhale. We're going to undo this. Keep the left knee like the same way. Bend into the right knee. Come into a Gaumukh Asana, cow facing pose. So as we bend into the right knee, we want to keep sitting tall. Make sure the left hip is not getting blocked through the right foot. So your left sitting bone, right sitting bone stays down. Inhale, lengthen through your back. Exhale, slightly hinging forward. We're going to come on our hands with the fingers forward on the mat. Relax the head and the neck. Take a few breaths here. Good. Back to walking the hands back. Keep sitting in the same way. Take your arms out like T. Then take your right arm in the front, left elbow under. Find a bind in your hands. Keep the elbows in line with your shoulders. Try and keep your shoulders down away from the ears. Inhale, lift through your chest. And exhale, rounding through your back. Inhale again, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, come back to center. Take another breath, a full cycle of breath here. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Beautiful. Undo this and switch sides. So keeping your right knee bent, extension in your left leg, and then keeping your right foot or the sole of the foot along the inseam of your left thigh. Inhaling. We're going to reach the arms up, sit up tall, exhale, hinging at the hips, catching your foot, ankle or your shin. Good, fold over, relax your head and neck. Staying here for at least 3 breaths. So we want to make sure that the practice is effective, but also not rushed. I know we are short on time, but we don't want to rush through the practice because the essence of the practice is lost then. So do less, but mindfully. And then coming back to lifting up. Beautiful. Then keeping the right knee bent, we're going to cross and put the right foot across the left thigh, left knee. Sit tall, right hand goes back on your fingertips, not going to confuse you with the same cues that I did before. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, twist, hooking left elbow into the right thigh. And we are going to breathe in, out through the nose. Wonderful. Undo the twist. Keeping the same position, you can actually keep the left leg in extension in that Gaumukhasana, cow facing pose. If you feel bending into your knee and placing the foot like so is uncomfortable, you can just be here. This is absolutely fine. So, coming back to bending into the knee and then sitting tall, inhaling and exhaling. We're going to place the hands somewhere forward. Just a little sway to make sure that we can go a little forward and begin to relax through your head and your neck. And then walking your hands back. Keep sitting in the same position. Good. Arms out. Inhaling here. Exhaling. Left arm goes across the body. Right elbow under. Bind in your hands, in your forearms and your hands, and keeping your shoulders down away from the ears and your elbows in line with your shoulders. Feeling that stretch and opening in the upper back body. Inhale, lift through your chest. Exhale, round through your back. Inhale again, lift and open. And exhale, round. Inhale, come back to center. Take a full cycle of breath here. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And we're going to now conclude the practice. Again, not rushing, but with a mindful conclusion. Let's seal this practice with chanting Om once. Bring your hands together to your heart center, closing your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Om. Rub your palms together. Bring some heat in your hands. Place the heels of your palms gently on your eyes. And gently place your hands on your face. Open your eyes, look at your hands. Thank you so much for joining me, for practicing with me. I'll see you again soon. Sending you love. Om Shanti.